Hi everyone, today I'm going to be making the most simplest, delicious, easy to make crispy barbecue wings in my air fryer oven. The wings have been cleaned, washed, and also wiped. So we're going to start the seasoning process. I have onion powder, Lawry's seasoning, black pepper, smoked paprika, granulated garlic, and also baking powder. I have in here a pound of wings, and we're gonna start with the onion powder, and I'm gonna season it to taste. With the Lawry's, I'm just gonna put a little bit. Black pepper, the smoked paprika, the granulated garlic, and we're going to stir this first. Give it a good stir. The next thing I'm going to add is the baking powder. Definitely we're going to measure this. And because I have a pound, and it's actually like 15 wings, and depending on the size, where it's actually drumlets and flats, so depending on the size, it's close to a pound. And it's actually going to be 3 teaspoons of baking powder. And this helps to make your wings crispy. Oops, spilled some of the baking powder, but I'm not gonna add more to it. It's just a little bit. I'm gonna reserve this for 15 minutes before we get to the air fryer process. I'm gonna put a little bit of the non-stick cooking spray on the wings, just a little bit, because the wings naturally kind of oily. Okay. And next I'm gonna spray the rack. And I'm going to try to at least place like 5 pieces on each line. I'm plugging the air fryer oven. And it's automatically set at 400. It's going to be frying for 30 minutes. And I'll be checking it throughout. Okay, let me check on it. It's been like 15 minutes. Browning a little bit. I am gonna turn it over. Look at that. Okay. Put it back in the air fryer. It's gonna be on for another 15 minutes. And again, I'll monitor it. The wings have fried, and I'm preparing the barbecue sauce. If I need to add more sauce to it, I will. I am going to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Give this a good mix. The wings look great. I'm so pleased how they turn out. I'm going to put all of them in the bowl and give it a stir. They really turn out nice. It smells so nice already. Can't wait to dive into it. Please use yours if you like, because you could get burned. I'm comfortable with not using it. I'm gonna put it back on, and it's gonna be for 5 minutes on each side. Five minutes is over. Let me see if I need to turn it over, because sometimes you do and sometimes you don't. So let's see. Yeah. It is sticky, which is what I want it to be. Put some more sauce on the opposite side. We don't want this to go to waste. Now. And you can have these as an appetizer. Sometimes I have my barbecue wings with ranch dressing. Today I'm gonna have it with some authentic Liberian potato salad. Stay tuned for that video. It is really nice also. Okay, so we're gonna put this back in for 5 more minutes. A little bit messy. Look at this. Very nice. Yep. Our most simple, delicious, easy to make, crispy barbecue air fryer oven wings are ready. I did sprinkle some red pepper flakes as well as parsley on the wings just for a decor. And I'm gonna try some. It is really crispy. I don't know whether you can hear me. It is well done. Out of this world. A big wow factor. The whole process took only 40 minutes. And I hope you do try this recipe. Like I said, you can have it with barbecue sauce. You can also have it with ranch dressing, whatever you feel like eating it with. I'm gonna have it with some additional barbecue sauce and some Liberian authentic potato salad. Please subscribe to my channel. It is free. Click on like. I would love to hear from you, so please comment. Helpful ones I greatly appreciate it. Share with family and friends, and hit the notification bell to be the first to know when I drop my next video. Without further ado, thanks and let's get cooking.